What's going on, YouTube? Watch me outline my top 5 tech resources to learn, earn, and thrive in your IT career. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back, Tech Fam. Now, if you've never been here before, my name is Warner Bell. I am a senior systems administrator / multi-certified IT professional, and this is Gadgetools Unlimited. Today, I'm going to give you my top tech resources to help you not just learn and earn, but to thrive in your IT career. The details I cover in this video are my best practices and what has made me successful in my career and continues to keep me valuable in the market as a skilled IT professional. Now, before we get started, just remember, a free and easy way to support the channel and keep helping us, helping you, is to like and subscribe. And feel free to jump in the comments with your thoughts at any time. Now, without further ado, let's get right to it. First on my list of invaluable resources one should use to thrive in IT is search engine. The most popular of which, of course, is Google. And that's right, I said search engine. Search engines give you an opportunity to find out what you didn't know you didn't know. Many times you may not even know how to find the information you're looking for, but you can use keyword searches related to the topic, which will allow you to stumble onto the information because the search returned so many results with the target keywords you use in it. Many times I'd be searching general topics on the internet and going through the results, and I might stumble upon some useful information that leads me to something I didn't even know I needed. But as soon as I saw it, I instantly knew exactly what I could do with it. I said all that to say this: Google or search engines in general are your friends. Take advantage of them. Next on the list is e-learning platforms. One of my favorites is Udemy, but there are many platforms out there. Udacity, Pluralsight, LinkedIn Learning, just to name a few. What all of these sites have in common is that they offer affordable and even free video courses, tutorials, practice labs, and other resources that any IT professional can use to upskill, reskill, or just overall sharpen your skills on a lot of different topics and technology. Staying abreast of relevant technologies and best practices is a must in IT and an advantage for any pro who does so, right? It will definitely help you advance and give you justification for higher salary expectations as you progress along in your IT career. So definitely you want to start looking at using these sites to add skills and maintain your skills. Another top tech resource to have is a home or a cloud practice lab. Any professional who's serious about their career and wants to prepare to take advantage of advancement opportunities should strongly consider setting one up and dedicating some real time to exploring technology in the lab. The potential for gaining valuable skill and knowledge is greatly enhanced by using practice labs. Not to mention the cool and fun ideas you could come up with just from experimenting. You could potentially come up with the next big tech idea that changes the world. And with that said, you'd probably be doing yourself a disservice if you didn't at least consider setting one up. You can use the first resource mentioned in this list to figure out how to do it. So if I was you, I'd get right to it. Moving on, a fourth top tech resource to use in IT career advancement is going to be social media forums and groups. Chief among them is going to be LinkedIn, but you know all the usual suspects: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, whatever you use today, TikTok. All of these will have some sort of group, page, or account that is dedicated to IT topics and tech topics. So join them, add them, be friends with them, contribute to the conversation in these groups and forums. I would suggest making LinkedIn the primary focus until you get it built out, and definitely keep it up to date, because that is like the main IT career site. You can find job postings on there. You can link with other IT professionals. You can link with people who are currently working in the career field or job title that you want to be in. It's just a very useful tool to master career-wise, right? On other sites, just add to the conversation. Also, you might be surprised how much great information you can find in some of these groups, and the amazing stories shared by the folks in the groups of their individual journeys. It's going to be great inspiration to keep you focused on your journey and keep you on top of advancement in your IT career goals. My final tech resource recommendation for the career-minded IT professional encompasses a few of them actually, and those are IT certifications and exams, IT books, and tech manuals. IT certs are very important and very useful to your career because they demonstrate to prospective employers, colleagues, and clients that you're dedicated to the work you do, you have special skills, and you're willing to keep learning to stay on top of your game. This is how you become a SME, or subject matter expert. Also, studying for and taking certification exams gives you knowledge of details and history of technologies that you may not get from hands-on or working on it in a job capacity, thereby helping you become a more well-rounded IT professional and giving you a more well-rounded understanding of the subject matter. Same goes for IT books and tech manuals. Now, I know in this day and age of technology, reading books and manuals might seem like an outdated way of learning new things, but there's something to be said for time-tested, tried and true methodologies. Besides, nowadays, you can get the text in virtual form, so there you go. I mean, you won't get rid of the reading part, but at least you won't have to hold an actual book if you're averse to such things. And that's gonna bring us to the end, folks. If you implement these 5 resources, there is no doubt in my mind you will be very successful in the IT career field. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if you agree, disagree, or if you have a resource that you think might be beneficial as well. Now, if you got something out of this video, please consider sharing it so that others might benefit from the insight too. And until the next video, Tech Fam, peace.